What is a team? A team may be defined as a group of two or more people who interact and influence the members for achievement of a common goal. A team is a group of individuals all working together for a common purpose. The individuals comprising a team ideally should have common goal, common objectives, and they should be compatible with each other. The purpose of creating team is to provide a framework that will increase the ability of employees to participate in planning, problem solving, and decision making to better serve customers. An increased participation promotes a better understanding of decisions, more support for and participation in implementation plans, increased contribution to problem solving and decision making, more ownership of decisions, processes, and changes, more ability and willingness to participate in performance evaluation and improvement. How teams are used. It is used to provide advice, to suggest improvements, to handle special issues, to solve problems, and to facilitate change. Team design would include such factors as whether a team has a clear and engaging direction. Team members have the authority to manage their work, and there are performance goals set for a team. Along with setting up a compatible environment, managers need to carefully design the team itself, including task characteristics, team size, team composition, and team roles. Task characteristics. Teams are more effective when their tasks are well structured because a clear structure makes it easier to coordinate work among several people. Team size. The general rule is that teams should be large enough to provide the necessary competencies and perspective to perform the work, yet small enough to maintain efficient coordination and meaningful involvement of each member. Team composition. Carefully select people with the necessary motivation and competencies for teamwork. Hire team members who can work together. Team members require members who are motivated to work together rather than alone, abide by the team rules of conduct, and support the team's goals. Team rules. Every work team and informal group has various roles necessary to assist the team's task and maintain its smooth functioning. A role is a set of behaviors that people are expected to perform because they hold certain positions in a team and an organization. Characteristic of effective team. Ideal size and membership. The team should be the minimum size needed to achieve the team's goal and include members with the right mix of skills and talent to get the job done. Fairness in decision making. Ideally, teams will make decisions by consensus. When consensus is not feasible, team will use fair decision making procedures that everyone agrees on. Creativity. Effective team values original thinking and will produce new and unique approaches to organizational problems. Accountability. Members must be accountable to each other for getting their work done on schedule and following the group's rules and procedures. Purpose and goals. Every team member must clearly understand the purpose and goal for bringing this particular group of individuals together. Action plans. Help the team determine what advice, assistance, training, materials, and other resources it may be needed. Roles and responsibilities. Team operate most efficiently if they tap everyone's talent. All members understand their own duties and who is responsible for what. Information sharing. Effective discussion depends upon how well information is passed between team members. A proliferation of new technologies has made this easier than it has ever been. Good data. Teams that use good data for problem solving and decision making have a much easier time arriving at permanent solutions to problems. Meeting skills and practices. All team members must commit to a common method for conducting teams. There is no best method, but everyone must be on the same page. Decision making. There is no one way to reach a decision, but it must be a recognizable path and transparent to all team members. Participation. Everyone should participate in discussion and decisions. Share a commitment to the team's success and contribute their talents. Ground rules. Groups invariably establish ground rules for what will and what will not be tolerated within the group. Many members will want to skip the laying of ground rules, but in the long run, investment upfront will head off major issues down the roads. Clear roles. It is essential that every team member is clear about his or her own role as well as the role of every other team members. Roles are about the design, division, and deployment of the work of the team. Accepted leadership. High performance teams need competent leaders. When such leader is lacking, groups can quickly lose their way. Inadequate team leadership is often the single biggest reason for team ineffectiveness. Effective processes. Team and processes go together. Business teams have processes which might include solving problems, making decisions, managing a meeting, or designing a product. Solid relationship. The diversity of skills, experience, and knowledge needed to divide tasks effectively almost precludes high level of friendship, which is most often based on commonality of the way people think, their interests, or beliefs. Excellent communication. Communication is the very mean of cooperation. A team cannot move faster than it communicates. Fast, clear, timely, accurate communication is a hallmark of high level of team performance.